Hi guys, so today is October 12.
I use Sunsilk with Shape Lock technology, makes hair straight with no dry levels. Vita wow, straight hair, cool dry levels.
Isang Diyos ang mapapatag sa mundo ng mga tao. Ako si Havik. Ako ang Panginoon ng tubig. At si Doc naman.
Sabi ko na nga, kaibigan ko ng isa.
Ang destined na maging tagapagsilbi.
Kailangan mo lang akong bigyan ng tirahan ng damit sa pwede ko ito. Bigyan mo rin ako ng maraming pera.
Kahandog ng Archivation. Minsan inaasahan ang balat.
Bakit iniisip mo na ikaw ang hari ng tubig?
Ikaw naman, bakit iniisip mo na isa kang tao?
Ang relasyon na nangangailangan ng dasal
Kahit ano magagawa ng mga Diyos, di ba?
Sa isang bukas lang ng kamay ko.
Na-excite naman ako.
at matinding pananampalataya sa pag-ibig.
Unti-unti na para akong pumapasok sa iyong puso at pinubuhay ang iyong natutunan.
Kaya nga ang nakukuha mo, 800 million ang nakukuha mo.
Playing Dead,
Hindi mo
Oscars.
okay 1 billion.
Ang tanong ko lang, may fee kaya yung nanalo, doon ka kung paano dapat gastusin ng gobyerno yung tax na
Wala.
200 million.
So I'm done cleaning the aquarium. How's your house, fish? Okay, so here's what I do or what I put in the aquarium to make the water last, make the water or to maintain the clearness of the water for days. Tadang! Here it is, stress out. Some call this stress coat, but I think that's a brand as well. But it has the same effect with this one. This is made by Angel Drops. Stress out. I bought this for 155 pesos in a fish store here in Cebu. And I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon for this 1.5 gallon tank. And but for now I wasn't able to fill it because I ran out of water. The water that I'm using is purified water, purified drinking water, because I'm not using those tap water because it contains chlorine that is not good for the fish's health. So yeah, I'm gonna place 1 tablespoon and that should be it. Here's a spoon. Here it is. Putting it now. Just 1 tablespoon. Okay. So this should be enough. I'm going to mix this in the water now. I'm gonna mix it here. And of course, I'm gonna give you some fish food for behaving so well. There you go. Alright, so I'm done cleaning the aquarium. Mipo is also done preparing my things, including this one, which I will be bringing this box. So, thank you for watching, guys.